Welcome to Review Rumble. The best funny survival kit is probably one of the most unexpectedly useful items you can have in your arsenal, blending essential preparedness with a healthy dose of humor to lighten the mood during even the most dire, or just plain awkward, situations, ensuring that whether you're facing a zombie apocalypse or just a really bad Tuesday, you'll have the tools to survive with a smile and maybe even a chuckle, making it an indispensable addition for anyone who likes to be ready for anything, while keeping their spirits high. Number 5. Witty Yeti Dehydrated Water 16-ounce Can. Introducing the revolutionary Witty Yeti Dehydrated Water. It's the essential camping and survival supply you never knew you needed. Get ready for a hydration experience unlike any other. Simply add water to this hilarious product and watch the magic happen. Our new formula allows you to create an infinite amount of water, making thirst a thing of the past. It's so practical, you'll wonder why it wasn't invented sooner. Yes, this is a real product designed for long-term storage. It comes in a durable 16-ounce steel can, ensuring your dehydrated water is ready whenever you are. How else would you store such a vital resource? We stand behind our product with a lifetime guarantee. If you're not completely satisfied, we'll make it right. It's also guaranteed to get laughs, making it the perfect gag gift for any occasion. Looking for a gift for your friends who love prepping, survival, camping, or hiking? They'll be roaring with laughter when they receive this essential item for any preparedness strategy. It's the ultimate surprise for anyone with a sense of humor. This makes a great gag gift for Dad on Father's Day, or for anyone who enjoys goofy presents and pranks. Surprise a friend or loved one with a refined sense of humor with this hilarious novelty item. What we like. This is the ultimate gag gift for the person who has everything, especially a sense of humor. If you're looking for a hilarious prank or a unique stocking stuffer, this is it. It's perfect for anyone who loves to laugh and appreciates a good, absurd joke. What people say. Average size that it will not end up in the trash. Very cute. Sturdy packaging. The dehydrated water everyone loved. So convenient, all you got to do is add water and you can get a canister of water. It's wonderful. Number 4. Worst Case Scenario Survival Handbook. Ever wondered how you'd handle a zombie apocalypse or a shark attack? This guide offers expert advice for even the most extreme situations. Learn practical tips and strategies to navigate unforeseen challenges. It's your go-to resource for staying safe when things go wrong. While it covers wilderness survival, it also delves into a wide range of bizarre and unlikely scenarios. Get ready for anything. Whether you're a seasoned outdoors person or just curious about the absurd, this book provides essential knowledge. It's a survival handbook like no other. Equip yourself with the knowledge to face down danger, from natural disasters to man-made mayhem. This is the ultimate guide to surviving the worst. What we like. If you're someone who enjoys a good laugh while also wanting to be prepared for the unexpected, this is the book for you. It's ideal for those who appreciate a witty take on serious subjects and want to learn survival tips with a smile. What people say. This is a great gag gift for a coworker. It's funny and the items inside are well made. The kit is well packaged and the contents are exactly as described. It's a perfect gift for someone who loves to laugh. Number 3. Gagster Emergency Underpants in a Can. Never be caught off guard again. This compact tin holds 3 pairs of instant, disposable underwear. It's the perfect practical joke gift for any occasion. Imagine the look on their face when they unwrap this. It's guaranteed to get a laugh, and who knows, they might even need them right away from laughing so hard. Made from stretchy material, these are designed for a comfortable and secure fit for most body types. They stay put when you need them most. Keep your secret weapon handy. The compact container fits easily in your pocket, ready for any unexpected situation. No one needs to know you're prepared. These are your go-to solution for unexpected moments. Add them to your survival kit, use them for pranks, or give them as a hilarious gift. We've got your backside covered. What we like. For the prankster who loves to give unforgettable gifts, these are a must-have. If you're attending a white elephant party or need a funny birthday gift for a man, this will guarantee laughs. It's for anyone who enjoys a practical joke with a surprisingly useful, and hilarious, twist. What people say. The main strength of this product is its hilarious concept. The idea of emergency underwear in a can is just too funny. The compact container makes it perfect for a white elephant gift or a gag gift exchange. The 3 pairs of disposable underwear are a great addition and provide good value for the price. Number 2. Survival Kit 14 in 1. Looking for the perfect gift for the adventurer in your life? This comprehensive kit is designed to ignite their passion for the outdoors. Show your loved ones how much you care with a gift that inspires adventure. It's an ideal present for birthdays, holidays, or just because. This all-in-one kit includes everything needed for survival, from a multi-use spoon, fork and emergency blanket to a fire starter and compass. Equip yourself with these cool gadgets for peace of mind during hiking, camping, hunting, or any outdoor adventure. No more worries, just exploration. We are committed to providing high-quality products. If you're not completely satisfied, we're here to help resolve any issues. Give a gift that truly stands out and encourages exploration. It's perfect for anyone who loves the great outdoors and exciting experiences. What we like. If you're looking for a gift that encourages adventure and preparedness, this is an excellent choice. It's perfect for dads, husbands, or boyfriends who love camping, hiking, or any outdoor activity. Give the gift of readiness with a touch of excitement. What people say. All the included items seem to be well made and there is a variety of the tools needed for outdoor survival. Most of them are actually tough and of pretty high quality. The compass is borderline, it's got an all-metal casing, and the compass itself is far more accurate than most cheap ones. The tactical pen and flashlight have heavy aluminum bodies, which was quite surprising. The water bottle holder was also much higher quality than I expected, and the extendable fire blower is great, very solid for a collapsible tool. Very compact, not too heavy. He said the items would be handy for anything that might come up, to include an emergency blanket. Number 1. Accoutrements Public Toilet Survival Kit. Introducing the Public Toilet Survival Kit. It's designed to provide you with essential items for a more comfortable and hygienic experience when using public restrooms. This kit comes neatly packaged in a compact 3.75-inch tall tin. It's perfect for keeping in your bag or car for on-the-go use. Inside, you'll find a toilet seat cover to ensure a clean surface. We've also included 2 antiseptic wipes to help you clean up before and after use. For added protection, a pair of latex-free disposable gloves is provided. These are designed for single use, offering a barrier against germs. Each order includes 1 toilet seat cover, 2 antiseptic wipes, and 1 pair of disposable gloves. It's a complete solution for your public restroom needs. What we like. This is the perfect quirky item for anyone who's ever been caught in an uncomfortable public restroom situation. If you appreciate preparedness with a touch of humor and want to be ready for unexpected hygiene needs, this is for you. It's a small but mighty solution for a common, albeit awkward, problem. What people say. He was able to do his business cleanly, and his date was none the wiser. My daughter is a germophobic, so I bought this for her as a gag gift. Believe it or not, she loved it for its practicality and wants me to buy one to keep in each car that we own. The kit came in a neat little tin box and was a big success when my dad pulled it out of his stocking. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.